What is CEDIA? CEDIA is the largest consumer electronic trade show in the United States of America. Dream Media attends CEDIA for a few different reasons. We're trying to attend their courses. The CEDIA organization has assembled the top pros in our industry to educate up-and-coming technicians, office staff, CEOs, CFOs, to help us grow as a company. So everybody at Dream Media is out here learning first and foremost. The second thing we're doing is walking the showroom floor in order to discover what is the latest and greatest industry-leading products, but also what changes have been made. What new tweaks has each manufacturer made to compete against the other? Who is the best, right? And a lot of the time, it's not necessarily who is the best, but what are the pros and cons to each individual product? So in today's video, we're gonna go through, and I want the guys to tell me a few of their favorite manufacturers, a few of their favorite products that they're interested in learning more about here at CEDIA. CEDIA is all about training our team. Here at Dream Media, we want to be on the forefront of technology, and we want to educate ourselves as well as get our hands on the latest information as well as the technology. So at CEDIA, all of our members, all of my team members here at Dream Media are attending courses such as how to get better at programming, how to get better at acoustic analysis, how to get better at lighting design, all of the various different categories that we have to offer here at Dream Media. And I'll have to say, this year is extremely special to me because I got to bring my son along and show him what I do for a living. We've been at Dream Media now for 13 years, and I'll have to say it has been a long journey, and I'm just so grateful to everybody who has supported us over all of these years. It's been such a special time in my life, and I've really been enjoying this journey, and bringing my family in on it just means that much more. You guys are also an extension of the Dream Media family, and again, we can't do it without you guys. We're gonna be checking out the latest and greatest TVs, projectors, all of the best speakers and amplifiers, lighting designs, all the way through to acoustics and preamplifiers. Really, if there's something new, today we're gonna discover it. So I'm gonna be bringing all of my specialists, Kellen and Chasen, to tell you guys what they're so excited about in their individual specialties, whether that's home theater for Kellen or that's the control and automation for Chase. We're trying to educate you guys so that you can make a good buying decision when you're building your next home. Do you want Control 4? Do you want Savant? Do you want URC? Or do you want per listen speakers? Or do you want Focal speakers? Trinov amplification or Marantz amplification? The list goes on and on. So what we're gonna do is get our hands dirty. We're gonna get out there on the show floor. We're gonna attend the trainings. We're gonna get educated, and we're gonna educate you guys so that you feel confident in your buying decision. So I'm gonna be bringing on Kellen and Chase, and they're each gonna give you their top 3 things that they're excited about to see here at CEDIA 2025. Over to you, Kellen.
Couple things that I'm really excited about seeing this year, probably the Prolux lighting. Not only can we at Dream Media help you design systems that look and sound good, you know, these lighting elements, you know, Chase is going to be a great asset to that. But, you know, having the lighting elements to our seats, the Prolux booth looks phenomenal. The things that they offer there, fixtures, linear tape lighting. So looking forward to that. The Deuce audio, the big 60-inch sub, that'll be interesting to see as well. In one of our sound rooms, that's probably the last thing that I'm most excited about at this show. It's a little smaller show this year, so allow us to do a little more walking around and experiencing some of these brands firsthand than years past. So the sound rooms, particularly the Alcon's booth, the playback distribution booth, and I guess I want to see the AWOL screen, their sound room as well, mainly for the visuals and the screen quality. But those are probably the three things that I'm most excited for at this year's CEDIA 2025.
All right, as you guys can hear, there's a lot of excitement here at CEDIA 2025. Next, I'm gonna pass it off to Chase. And because Kellen gave us our home theater rundown, he is our AV specialist. We got Chase, who is our smart home specialist, coming on to give you his thoughts on the industry leading custom integration products. Over to you, Chase.
Hey guys, my big three things to look out for are we're finally getting intercom and Bluetooth integration back into smart homes. Eero network systems are now allowing you to utilize your phone as the service for your house when your internet goes down. So essentially you can use your phone as a hotspot that then powers the access points to keep your network up even when your ISP provider is not. And then of course, we're gonna talk about Lutron, guys. Ketra, we're getting an expansion of the products in the lines. So we're getting Ketra, the fixtures were always top line, right? They did all the LED colors, they did the natural sunlight curves. So now we've got step down models that maybe don't do everything with all the 16.2 million addressable colors, but do give you that daylight schedule. And guys, that's carrying across from the light fixtures to the tape lines. So super excited for that. And I'm sure there'll be more.
All right, Dream Media family, that is a wrap. I can't tell you how excited we are to be out here. Opening day, day one. They haven't even opened the doors yet to the general public, and we got in there. We're interviewing the manufacturers. We're figuring out the nitty gritty so you don't have to. We've been in business over a decade, guys, and I can't tell you how grateful I am for everybody's support and how blessed I feel to be out here enjoying another beautiful year here at CEDIA 2025, heading into 2026. Guys, thank you so much for your support. I hope you guys enjoy all of the content that we have on our YouTube channel as well as here at CEDIA this year. Till next time, this is Zach as well as Kellen and Chase with Dream Media. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.